Welcome to the unique world of Cadence products. Where modernity, quality, and sustainability meet European standards in manufacturing with an incredible 25 years of experience. Cadence stands as the industry leader. This experience forms the source of the exceptional quality of every product. Our state-of-the-art production plant spanning 20,000 square meters in Düzce is the center for the production and rigorous testing of Cadence's diverse product range. Today's and tomorrow's Cadence products are brought to life right here. Every step of the production process, from manufacturing to packaging, takes place within this exceptional plant. This approach not only ensures our adherence to top-tier production standards, but also reflects our commitment to environmental responsibility by minimizing our carbon footprint. This plant produces a staggering 7,000 different products with 40 different packaging options. Each product is crafted to meet Euro norms and holds EN 71 and CE certifications, utilizing the highest quality pigments and materials. Quality is a way of life here, enabling continuous performance and outstanding production in every product. Customer satisfaction is the cornerstone of this plant. With our swift production processes and the widest product range in the world, we are here to meet every demand. Cadence offers more than a paint. It tells a story. Here our dedication to sustainability and quality takes form, and together we work towards building a greener and more beautiful world. Join us to explore Cadence's inspiring and extraordinary world and secure your place in the world of tomorrow. Remember, just Cadence is enough for you.